Weighted item sales. Go to Inventory. Press Manage Items. Search the item. Select the item. Weight item. Yes. Press Done. Enter PLU for weight item. The action window appears. Place item on scale. Weight is displayed. The weight item is added. If you want the weight pop-up to close automatically, follow these steps. Go to Setup. Press Advanced button. Select Sales tab. Weight item pop-up auto-close. Enter the delay time for the pop-up. Press OK. Place item on scale. Weight item pop-up auto-close. The weight item is added. Weight shown on cashier display. The weight is also shown on the customer-facing display.